Earth is a beautiful and surreal place, which is dotted with awe-inspiring places along with some of the weird as well as unusual spots. There is no dearth of weird places in the world that are fascinating as well as bizarre. The mysteries related to some places have logical explanations for their weirdness, while others remain stubbornly unsolved. There are several mysterious places around the planet, which prove that weird can also be spellbinding. They may not be conventional spots to visit, but traveling to these places can result in some of the most fun memories of the lifetime. So, we have carefully crafted a list of weird places in the world to visit, which are worth visiting at least once in a lifetime. They can leave you captivated, puzzled, and surprised at all the same time.
Hey everyone! Welcome to the Radiant Clues.
On the private island in Nevada, there is one of the strangest places on Earth, which is a consequence of human blunder and nature's wonder, Fly Geyser. Situated on the edge of the Black Rock Desert, Fly Geyser is almost 100 years old. Back then, locals tried to find water for irrigation. A well was drilled in the desert and a geothermal boiling water point was hit, 200 degrees. They abandoned the place as the water was too hot to use. It resulted in a 10 to 12-foot calcium carbonate deposit. The first geyser was formed in 1916. Similarly, the other geyser was created accidentally in 1964 when a geothermal power company drilled another well, around 100 feet away from the first geyser. The well was either left uncapped or improperly capped. Boiling water shot from the well and calcium carbonate deposits began to form. Those deposits resulted in the 3 large mounds. These sediments are now 6 feet tall and multicolored. The geyser trio still spews scalding water for about 4 or 5 feet in the air. The coloring on the outside of the mound is the result of thermophilic algae, which flourish in a moist and hot environment. The mound also contains quartz. Typically, geysers don't get quartz in them before 10,000 years, but Fly Geyser has it, even though it is just 100 years old. 3. The Giant's Causeway, North Ireland. Northern Ireland is a part of Great Britain and has a rich legacy, boasting about world-class restaurants, remarkable history, and culture. appears to drain water from the ocean, and during the high tide, no one dares to get any closer to the well. The 20 feet deep hole has been formed due to waves crashing across the same region for years, leading to erosion. What makes Thor's well a weird place is the fact that during high tide, the waves roll underneath the hole and fill it from below. The water then comes up in violent sprays. However, after some time, the water starts moving inside, and the same process continues repeatedly. It has gained popularity among adventure photographers. It is best to visit 1 hour before the high tide to witness the amazing phenomenon of filling up and emptying the well from a safe distance. 5. The Bermuda Triangle, North Atlantic Ocean. Renowned as Devil's Triangle, Bermuda Triangle is a mythical section of the Atlantic Ocean bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. A part of one of the busiest shipping routes in the world, the Bermuda Triangle is among the weird and strange places in the world due to some unresolved mysteries. Innumerable ships, airplanes, and people have disappeared here without any explanation, covering an area of 440,000 miles in the sea. The Bermuda Triangle has myriad fanciful theories and is reputed as a mysterious place. According to some theories, some unusual local magnetic anomalies existed in the area. This theory claims an extremely high pull of the Earth's natural magnet, which redirects the compass. The role of paranormal activities and the presence of aliens have also been strongly suggested by some. waterfall base in the Shale Creek Reserve. As the flame never goes off, it is known as eternal flame falls. To occur this phenomenon, the temperature of the rock must be around 100 degrees Celsius, so that the carbon molecules break down and give off natural gas and result in a burning flame. Natural eternal flames occur when gas seeps through the soil and bacteria eat the methane. Then the gas gets converted into carbon dioxide. However, at eternal flame falls, the gas is not converted into carbon dioxide. It is contained and leads to an eternal flame. 10. Magnetic Hill, India. Ladakh is a trans-Himalayan region, renowned for breathtaking landscapes. It is a paradise for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers. Along with the wonderful scenic vistas, there is a place in the region that is weird as well as mysterious, namely, Magnetic Hill. Located at a distance of 30 kilometers from Leh on the Leh-Kargil Highway, there is a small stretch of road, which defies gravity. Magnetic Hill pulls stationary vehicles upwards. There are many theories and beliefs backed by strong reasoning. As per the villagers, a road once existed that led people to heaven. As per the scientists, there is a strong magnetic force emanating from the hill that pulls vehicles in the range. Another widely accepted theory states that it is just an optical illusion, which makes the road downslope look like an upslope. Basically, when it seems like the vehicle is going uphill, it is actually going downhill. In a nutshell, these weird places are fascinating and baffling at the same time. Having a scientific reason or not, these places send an invite to those bitten by wanderlust for sure. Do you want to add these to your bucket list? Do you know some more weird destinations? If you plan a tour to a destination like these, do not forget to add these places to your itinerary. Visiting any of these places will enrich your travel spree, and if you visit any of them, share your experience with us.
Hey, thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe because more incredible content is on the way.